In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a table in Canva Sheets into a graph or chart that you can visualize. So here I have this table, which has a list of items and their cost, and I want to turn it into a chart that you can see the values visually. So just go ahead and select the whole table. You can do that by shift clicking the range of your table, or you can just select the two columns that span your table. And now go at the top bar and then click on Magic Charts. And now you should see a whole list of different types of charts that you can use to convert your data into. So we have bar charts, tree map, circles. In this example, I'm going to just use a simple bar chart. And if you want to insert it, just click on this image. And there we go. We just have an image that we can move around, and we can also scale it. If you don't want these texts to be angled like this, you can just keep scaling it until you see, just like this, until they have enough space to be aligned horizontally. And that's about it in this tutorial. You can of course customize this table using the edit and change whatever you want in these two tabs. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.